Welcome everyone to the second video of this two-part video series on the top crypto staking platforms in 2022. In the previous video, I explained what is staking and the various risks associated with the staking platforms and also gave you a few of the top crypto staking platforms. If you haven't watched that, then please do watch part 1 before you watch this video. A link to that video should pop up here. I will also leave a link to that video in the description below. Okay. In part 2, I will continue through the remaining staking platforms for earning passive income. Hi, my name is Adnan Arif. Without further ado, let's dive in. The next platform I've got for you is Coinbase. Coinbase presents an effortless staking solution. For staking at Coinbase, you can buy staking supported crypto at their exchange or transfer from any external crypto wallet to your Coinbase account. Subsequently, staking is available at the specific assets page within your portfolio. This is by far the easiest method of staking, but the most costly one as well. The user agreement shows the commission charged by Coinbase and it's usually on the higher side. They don't charge differently for specific coins like stake.fish, but you end up paying 25% of your staking rewards for the added simplicity. The only advantage other than the simplistic procedure is that there's no minimum staking limit, unlike Binance. Next up, we have Crypto.com. Crypto.com supports flexible and fixed term staking with a few taps from their smartphone application. You can check out the several cryptocurrencies to stake at Crypto.com, including some stablecoins. Interestingly, you can bump up your rewards by adding some CRO tokens to the staking pool. This seems a way to incentivize with the use of Crow, which is their native token. Overall, the platform is pretty straightforward and even the newcomers will find it as an excellent crypto staking platform. Next up, we have Etoro. Etoro supports staking in Cardano and Tron with support to ETH staking in selected countries. The minimum holding period is 9 days for Cardano and 7 days for Tron. Etoro commissions on the rewards are based on the user's club membership status. For instance, Bronze members pay the highest 25% commission, while the Diamond and Platinum Plus members take the smallest cut to 10%. Finally, this crypto staking platform is best for those already associated with Etoro to reap maximum benefits. Number 4, we have Kucoin. Kucoin purposes flexible or soft staking, which comes without any hard locking period. However, you can also subscribe to their fixed length staking programs to earn higher rewards. Kucoin's soft staking programs come with a redemption period, which is practically the time between you stop staking and regain access to the staked funds or rewards. For instance, the Polkadot or DOT has 28 days of redemption period. Fear not, that's one of the biggest redemption periods, with most other values lying around a week or even less. However low, there are minimum thresholds that you need to hold for staking. Finally, Kucoin is a reputed exchange worthy enough for people looking for a user-friendly crypto staking platform. Simply put, the best options for savvy users are stake.fish and MyContainer. However, non-technical crypto people should try Binance, Kraken or Kucoin. This is it for the two-part video series on the top crypto staking platforms. If you found this video useful or informative, then all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button now and hit that bell icon as well so that you don't miss out when my next video comes out. It's as simple as that, guys. Just do it now. I'm waiting. Guys, I would also appreciate it if you could smash that like button and share this video with your family and friends. I would really recommend you to check out the first part of the video, which will give you a clear understanding on the topics like what is staking and what are the risks associated with it. For now, my name is Adnan Arif and see you in my next video.